It sure is hot here on the boardwalk. Why don't you buy a drink to cool down? Let's see what coins you've got there. Okay, you have 4 pennies, 1 nickel, 1 dime, 1 quarter, and, what's this coin?
Click on this coin. This coin is the $50. There are 50 cents in a $50. Click on the $50 to find out more. This side of a $50 is the head. It shows the head of John F. Kennedy, a president of the United States.
Okay, let's see how many cents there are in these coins. Well, 4 pennies is 4 cents. So, let's show 4 cents here.
How many cents are in 1 nickel? How many cents are in 1 dime? And how many cents are in 1 quarter? Drag a number here, here, and here. Then click OK. You're right. 1 nickel is 5 cents, 1 dime is 10 cents, and 1 quarter is 25 cents.
So, how many cents are there in all these coins?
How many cents are there altogether? Type in a number here, then click OK. There are 94 cents altogether.
50 cents plus 25 cents is 75 cents. Plus 10 cents is 85 cents. Plus 5 cents is 90 cents. Plus 4 cents is 94 cents. 1 cool drink costs 85 cents. So you have more money than you need to pay for that drink. Now, which of these coins can we use to pay for this cool drink?
Drag coins here to show 85 cents. Then click OK. Those coins don't show 85 cents. Try again. That's right. These coins show 85 cents.
50 cents plus 25 cents is 75 cents. And 75 cents plus 10 cents is 85 cents. Bet that tastes good. $55 for an ice cream cone. But, how much money do you have there?
Click on the customer. This is a $1 bill. On the front is George Washington, the first President of the United States. On the back is the Great Seal of the United States of America.
So, you've got $1. But how much is $1 worth?
Click on the $1 bill. $1 is equal to 100 cents. And we write $1 like this. Click on $1. This is a dollar sign. And this is a decimal point. The number 1 on the left of the decimal point tells us that we have $1, or 100 cents. The zeros on the right of the decimal point tell us that $1 has no more than 100 cents.
So this tells us the value of $1. $1 and 0 cents. Since we can use a dollar sign and a decimal point to show 100 cents, we should be able to use a dollar sign and a decimal point to show the value of these coins too.
Click on the half dollar. This is how we show 50 cents using a dollar sign and a decimal point. The 0 on the left of the decimal point tells us that there are $0 in $1/2. The number 50 on the right of the decimal point tells us that there are 50 cents in $1/2.
$1 is 100 cents, and $1/2 is 50 cents. Well, there are 100 pennies in $1. And when we divide 100 pennies into 2 equal groups, there are 50 pennies in each group. So 1/2 of 100 cents is 50 cents, or $1/2. Now, let's look at the quarter.
Can you show the value of 1/4 using a dollar sign and a decimal point? Drag your answer here, and then click OK. That's right. This shows 1/4 using the dollar sign and a decimal point.
The 0 on the left of the decimal point tells us how many dollars there are. There are $0 in 25 cents. So we write a 0 here. The number on the right of the decimal point tells us how many cents there are. So we write 25 here. Now let's see how we write the value of the other coins using a dollar sign and a decimal point.
Click on these coins. We show the value of 1 dime like this. We show the value of 1 nickel like this. We show the value of 1 penny like this.
So the value of each of these coins is less than $1.
Click on the button to see the value of $1 using different coins.
Now, let's pay for that ice cream cone. That ice cream cone costs 55 cents. You paid for it with $1. And this is your change.
How much change did our friend get? Click on a number, then click OK. That's right. Our friend got 45 cents change.
Your change is made up of 1 quarter, 1 dime, and 2 nickels. 25 cents plus 10 cents is 35 cents, plus 5 cents is 40 cents, plus 5 cents is 45 cents. So, your change is 45 cents. And you also have some delicious ice cream. Hey, it looks like you've got a lot of money in there. What's that coin?
Click on this coin. This is a dollar coin. This side of the coin is its head. It shows Sacagawea, a Shoshone woman who helped guide the Lewis and Clark expedition about 200 years ago. This side is the tail. It shows a bald eagle, the national bird of the United States of America.
What else do you have in your wallet?
Click on the wallet. This is a $5 bill. On the front of the $5 bill is Abraham Lincoln, a president of the United States of America. On the back is the Lincoln Memorial. Click on the wallet again. This is a $10 bill. The front of the $10 bill shows Alexander Hamilton, the first Secretary of the United States Treasury. The back shows the United States Treasury building.
So, how many dollars is that?
How many dollars are there altogether? Drag your answer here, then click OK. Well done. There are $16 altogether.
But wait a minute. You have more money than that. What about your change? 45 cents. So, you've got $16.45 altogether. You can buy a lot of ice cream with $16.45. Cool! Fishing poles.
How much does the fishing pole cost? Click on an amount, then click OK. That's right. The fishing pole costs $3.60.
The number on the left of the decimal point tells us how many dollars there are. 3. The number on the right of the decimal point tells us how many cents there are. 60. So, this fishing pole costs $3.60. Okay, let's see how much you've got there.
How many dollars and how many cents does our friend have? Drag a number here and here, then click OK. That's the number of dollars, but not the number of cents. Try again. You got it. Our friend has $3.06.
This bill and coin are each worth $1. So you have $2 here. 4 quarters equal $1. So you have one more dollar here. A nickel and a penny equal 6 cents. So you have 6 cents here. And the sum of these values is $3.06. Do you have enough money to buy the fishing pole?
What sign would you use to compare these two amounts? Drag a sign here, then click OK. That's right. You use this sign to compare these numbers.
Both amounts have the same number of dollars, 3. But 6 is less than 60. So $3.06 is less than $3.60. Uh-oh, you don't have enough money to buy the fishing pole. Hey, a dollar bill. $3.06 plus one more dollar equals $4.06. That's more than enough to buy the fishing pole. Wait a minute. You don't have bills and coins that make up $3.60 exactly. So, which should you use?
From these bills and coins, what is the least amount of money you can use to pay for the fishing pole? Click on the bills and coins, then click OK. That's right. This is the least amount of money you can use to pay for the fishing pole.
To find the least amount of money that you can use to pay for the fishing pole, you can start with the bills and coins that have the greatest value. These 2 bills and this dollar coin give you $1, $2, $3. Now you need 60 cents. 2 quarters equals 50 cents. So, adding these 2 quarters gives you $3.50. Now you need another 10 cents to make $3.60. But the nickel and the penny make only 6 cents. So you have to use another quarter, which now gives you a total of $3.75. $3.75 is more than $3.60. So, this is the least amount of money you can use to pay for the fishing pole. Right. Let's buy that fishing pole. Hey, don't forget your change.
How much change will our friend get after paying $3.75 for the fishing pole? Click on your answer, then click OK. Well done! Our friend will get 15 cents change.
To find out how much change you will get from $3.75, you can count up from $3.60. $3.60 plus 10 cents equals $3.70. Plus 5 cents more equals $3.75. So, your change is a dime and a nickel, which equals 15 cents. Well, I hope you have a good time fishing.
These slippers cost $3.65. Click on this button to use different amounts of money to pay for them. Then check the change you'll receive. Well done! You've completed this lesson. Click here to go to the practice area, or click here to return to the menu. Here is a nickel, and here is a quarter. How do we write the value of each of these coins using a dollar sign and a decimal point? Drag an answer here and here, then click OK. That's it. These are the correct values.
The number on the left of the decimal point tells us how many dollars there are, and the number on the right tells us how many cents there are. There are $0 and 5 cents in a nickel, and there are $0 and 25 cents in a quarter. So, we write the value of these coins using a dollar sign and a decimal point like this.
Here is $1 and 1 dime. How can we write the total value of these coins using a dollar sign and a decimal point? Click on your answer and then click OK. That's right. This is the total value of these coins.
$1 plus 1 dime is $1.10. The 1 goes to the left of the decimal point, and the 10 goes to the right of the decimal point. So, we write the total value of these coins using a dollar sign and a decimal point like this.
How many dollars and how many cents are there altogether? Drag your answer here, then click OK. That's right. There are $2.71 altogether.
There are $2 here, and 2 quarters make 50 cents. 1 dime is 10 cents, and 2 nickels and a penny is 11 cents. The sum of these values is $2.71. So there are $2.71 here altogether.
This is the total cost of your groceries, and this is the amount of money that you have. Which sign would you use to compare these numbers? Drag a sign here, then click OK. That's right. You can use this sign to compare these numbers.
Both of these amounts have the same number of dollars, 7. But looking at the number of cents in each amount, we can see that 8 is less than 80. So $7.08 is less than $7.80. And we can use this sign to compare these numbers.
This toy train costs $3.53. How much change will you get after paying $4 for the toy train? Click on your answer and then click OK. That's right. You will get 47 cents change.
To find out how much change you will get from $4, you need to count up from $3.53 to $4. $3.53 plus 2 cents is $3.55. Plus 10 cents is $3.65. Plus 10 cents is $3.75. Plus 25 cents is $4. 2 cents plus 10 cents plus 10 cents plus 25 cents equals 47 cents. So your change is 47 cents.
Good work! You've completed these practice questions. Click here to go to the workout, or click here to return to the menu.
Hey, there's a special offer at the car wash today. It's only $4.44 for a wash and wax. Do you have enough money to pay for that?
How much money does our friend have? Drag an answer here, then click OK. That's it. Our friend has $6.03.
This is $5. You also have 3/4 here, and 3/4 is 75 cents. So, adding this bill and these coins, you get $5.75. Adding this dime, you get $5.85. And adding this dime, you get $5.95. $5.95 plus this nickel is $6. And finally, adding these 3 cents gives you $6.03 altogether. The car wash costs $4.44. $4.44 is less than $5. So you can use that $5 bill to pay for the car wash. And put away the other money.
Click here to see $4.44. $1, $2, $3, $4, 4 dimes, and 4 pennies make $4.44.
Now, since $4.44 is less than $5, all the car wash attendant needs to do is count up from $4.44 to $5 to find out how much change to give you.
Drag as many coins as you need here to count up from $4.44 to $5. Then click OK. That's it. These coins show $5.
We added these coins to get $5. A half-dollar, or 50 cents, plus a nickel, or 5 cents, is 55 cents, plus a penny is 56 cents. So your change is 56 cents. There you go. The car wash costs $4.44, and these coins show your change from $5.
Click on these coins. A half-dollar, 50 cents, plus a nickel, 5 cents, makes 55 cents, plus 1 penny is 56 cents altogether.
$4.44 plus 1 penny is $4.45, plus 1 nickel, or 5 cents, is $4.50, plus 1 half-dollar, or 50 cents, is $5. So, when you use $5 to pay for a car wash that cost $4.44, your change is 56 cents. Okay, now you can get your car washed.
Good job! You've completed this workout. Click here to go to the next lesson, or click here to return to the menu.